Good morning, this is Linda. I am so excited because I have Reese and Sam out here today and they're going to help me put up this Patiowell shed. It's a 3x5, it's going to be really simple, and we're going to get this up over by the cabin out back. And sorry, I'm walking here trying to get the cats out in front of me so that we can get this shed built that's been sitting in my garage for over several months. I don't even know how long. And I've got to show you the cutest thing ever. Hi, you guys doing okay? Look at here. And I'm gonna put you down. Here, Mama. Here, Mama. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here, babies. I just put a little bit of grain on the ground so the little lambs can just nibble on it. You see, I still have that section of fence that I have to paint. I'm having Orion come out on Thursday or Friday. He's going to finish that and all that section. So I'm done feeding the animals. Let me go change my clothes. Hopefully we won't get rained on. It's just clouds coming on and off over top of us. And we'll get this shed built. So we're out here with my granddaughter Reese and her boyfriend Sam. And they are building a Patiowell 3x5 shed so I can cover up this porta potty that I'm using for a stand for the propane tank for the cabin. And of course we have all the additional helpers. Hey, I have a joke for you, Reese.
Depends on your joke.
What do you call a sleeping bull?
I don't know.
A bulldozer.
Unscrew this.
Yeah.
It'll be easier to build if I just move
Yeah,
it
you
off.
can unscrew it. You can move that stuff out of the way.
Out of my
Louie,
face.
you can't help build. Sage, come on. So I am gonna go get the tripod and put the camera on a tripod so you can watch them build this. Hey, Sam.
Yeah.
What's the only animal that can tell time on a farm?
What?
A watchdog. Huh?
But I didn't hear that one.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a downpour. You know, when somebody tells me to stop acting like a pelican, that's when I really put my foot down. You don't like my jokes.
Sam loves dad jokes, so he's probably getting a chuckle out of all of them. Here, you want an extra washer?
No, thank you. I already have one in the house.
Come under my legs.
No, you can't. You know what's more impressive than a talking parrot? A spelling bee. Like that one? I know I have dad jokes or mom jokes or whatever. Okay, it's a cute little shed. See it? Door hinge is a little crooked, but we put it where the holes were. It's got a nice little door. Got that in there. Come on, Sage. It's anchored to the ground. I'm impressed by it. Patiowell sheds. We used to have the old school metal sheds and put those together with a million screws. And not that Patiowell doesn't come with a million screws. It's just that you don't screw together every piece. And so that makes a huge difference. Tell me what you thought was the easiest part of putting it together.
The walls.
The walls?
And not the door.
Okay. What was your
frame?
The frame?
Oh yeah, like the base frame?
And the roof frame?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Relatively.
They were pretty simple, huh? And it does give it a lot of structure, doesn't it? Pretty good little shed.